In this video, I want to show you how you can share LiveWall with friends, family, colleagues, event attendees. When you're logged into LiveWall, the default way of sharing is to click the QR code icon here, which gives you your private QR code for your event. So you can let people scan this on your mobile device. You can also download and include this QR code in printed material. You can use the QR code generator of LiveWall to create print-ready PDFs with your personal QR code. And this will give guests access to the feed and potentially also the LiveWall camera and the LiveWall upload function. So this means that the guests have to scan the QR code and they need to remember or bookmark that link to have access to your wall. The other option is using the invite function in LiveWall, which is available here in the menu on paid plans. Click on invite, and you can now type in an email address to send an invitation to. So I'm going to send to my wife here. And that will send an email from LiveWall with a link, and they need to click that link to confirm. The difference between just scanning the QR code and receiving an invite is that you get an account on livewall.no, and whenever you log into that, you can see all of the walls that you follow. So this is nice for families, maybe friends, groups, co-workers that can now create various walls and live walls for different purposes and share them with each other. And anyone logging into LiveWall will easily be able to see and go back to walls that they have followed. When you follow a wall, you also get notifications when something happens on that wall. So if I go to my email here, I will get emails like these that tell me that there is new content on the wall. So this applies both to administrators that receive these messages for their walls and to followers that have accepted these invites. They will be notified whenever something happens so that they always know what's going on in LiveWall. So I hope this is useful for you. If you have questions, go to our FAQ on the website and do a search or reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help. Take care and good luck with LiveWall.